Okay, it's okay. But today, we're going to do a 2v1 while it's raining.
It's raining right now, guys.
As you can see,
we're wet.
This Texas weather is different. Okay, let's start this up, baby.
Oh, by the way, we have a couple guests today joining Tobey. We have me, myself, and I, the man, the myth, the legend, Easton, and we have Bubba. Tobey.
Yeah.
So the 2v1 is going to be me and Tobey versus Tobey. Let's go. First to 21. Wait, I gotta put my phone down. Actually, no.
This is so good. Hold on, let me take off the jersey, guys.
Game. Bro, I actually I have to hide under this tree, bro. Bro, you guys are lucky your house is right here.
Yes. Oh my God.
Oh!
Ethan.
I don't even know what to do. 2-0. Oh, 3-2. No, 2-2. Sorry. 2-2. Guys, it's coming down harder now.
3-2.
Oh.
I mean 3. Yeah,
No. It's 5-3.
So
Oh, it's stopped now.
Yeah.
Guys, one thing let me tell you about this Texas weather is it's super weird.
Yeah, it starts to stop.
Like, it was raining super hard just like 10 seconds ago. And now it's gone.
So cold now.
Oh!
Dude,
He almost airballed that.
so slippery.
Oh.
You could break my ankles easily, guys. My shoes on.
God, that's more grip than shoes.
No.
Bro. Bro. 5-5.
Sorry.
5-5.
The ball is very slippery, so if we're airballing, don't mind that.
Oh, you almost there. Oh. Wait. By the way, guys, that's 5-5. I got it. Go. 8-7. Guys, me and Bubba have the strategy, right? Me and Tobey have the strategy, guys. Bubba is their other brother. Bubba's their other brother that we never put into this. That's off you. So we have Tobey, and then Bubba's their other brother. Oh, shoot it. Never mind, don't shoot it. Oh, shoot that. Let's go! 9-8. Good job, Bubba.
No!
Bubba, get ready for the rebound.
I didn't even shoot correctly.
And remember, the challenge is the rain, so you can't go put shoes on. Wait, don't shoot it. It's okay. Oh! Are you okay? 11-9. That was tough. Shoot that. 11-11.
11.
No. Oh. got him.
What's the score now?
13-13.
I need to lose.
Ow. Bubba!
The bus slippery. He
Ow.
said, don't mind if we airball. Bro, the wall is scary.
Bro,
On the floor.
bro, I have like dirt on my shorts. My shirt is all messed up. Yeah, in your mouth. We have to win. Let's get hyped up. What? No, it's 16-13.
No, it is not.
Yeah,
We're just at 13-13, so it's
because you scored a 3. It was 13-13, and then you scored a 3.
yeah, 16-13.
Yeah. Yeah, you said 18-15 again. No!
Go.
Bro, that would have been out on.
He slipped.
Bro, it would have been like LeBron James on a dunk. Edit to LeBron James doing the slip dunk.
Ow! It
Oh, we just passed it.
slipped.
Okay, guys. Lockdown defense. Because if he scores one more point, we win. Or they win. I mean, he wins. Oh.
Yes! That's our Toby.
Yes, it is. You tipped it out. Wait, right back. 19-18.
Oh my gosh.
Fully locked down defense. It's starting to rain again. A little bit.
Oh my gosh.
This might
Oh
be
my
time.
gosh.
Guys, crunch
Block
time.
him. Block.
Is crunch time gonna start raining? Ow! What? Full block. Bro, my phone is like. Oh, I almost forgot my ankles hurt. Oh! Oh!
Ah!
He called it.
I cut it first.
Yeah, I know, that's what I'm saying.
Oh, check.
Check it. Guys, we need one more 3, we win.
No.
No! Blah! Oh.
What?
Go to the 3-point line, bro. No, don't shoot it. What the?
We needed 2.
No, we don't. 3, shoot it! We need a 3. It's 19. Oh, it's windy. Shoot it, just shoot. Oh,
Now
20 to 19. 20 to 19.
This is intense.
D up. Wait. Pause. If you think Tobey is gonna win, like and subscribe. If you think me and Sobe are gonna win, comment and share.
Or
If you think-
share.
and follow. If you think one of these teams are gonna win, do all. Unpause. Let's go. It's slippery, guys. Oh, I see. Okay, it's out. It's starting to get really rainy
They're
really
really
windy.
intense.
and really windy, and this isn't good conditions for crunch time.
No. Yes!
Oh shoot! I'm scared because I don't know what to do.
Ah!
Oh! No!
You can still shoot.
Alright. Thank you guys so much for watching. As you can see, that was a very intense game. In the rain and wind, it was very intense rain and wind. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment, share, follow, do everything.
It's your boy, Tobe.
It's your boy, the man, the myth, the legend, Easton, and Sobe.
And we are
Thank you
out.
guys for watching, and
Peace.
peace out.